Why are my Bradford pears turning orange? Why are my apple trees turning orange? Very, very common questions that we were getting in the diagnostic clinic in 2019 and really previous years as well. And we've talked a lot about this, but these are some of our gymnosporangium rusts. And so rusts that move from one of our rosaceous plants, so pears, apples, etc., and have an alternate host as on one of our junipers or cedar trees. Cedar apple rust is one of the very common ones, but we do have some other rusts that occur as well. Unfortunately, once we start to see those leaves turning orange kind of middle to late fall, it's too late to do any sort of control options. So if you were in this situation last year, recommended in 2021 that you think about this as we're early in the spring, because that's our treatment window. And so the only time that we can actually treat for some of our rusts on apple and pear trees is in the spring, right when those buds are beginning to open. And that's the time we want to apply some sort of fungicide. Fungicides that can control our rust diseases are those that include chlorothalonil or copper as well.